Imagine an AI platform with no filters, no restrictions, and millions of characters built entirely by its community. That's Cube AI, also known as Character Hub, one of the largest AI character chat platform on the internet today. Unlike mainstream tools like Character AI, Cube AI was built on a simple idea: creative freedom without censorship. Users can chat with pre-made characters or build their own from scratch, defining personality, backstory, and behavior in detail. The platform connects to multiple large language models, including options from OpenAI and Anthropic, so you can choose the engine that powers your conversation. What really sets Cube AI apart is its lorebook system. Think of it as long-term memory for a character, a database of facts and worlds details that get pulled into the conversation exactly when needed, keeping every chat consistent and immersive. The platform runs on a free tier with paid plans unlocking premium models and deeper memory. And yes, it does host NSFW content openly with age verification in place, giving it a reputation as the go-to alternative for users who find their platform too restrictive. Is Cube AI the future of a roleplay or a cautionary tale about unmoderate content? That's the conversation with having in the comments.